General math scenario using general annuity. Peter wants to save for his dream bike in 5 years. He decides to invest in a savings account that pays an interest rate of 6% per year, compounded monthly. However, Peter can only deposit 200 pesos every 3 months. Now, he decides to meet with financial advisor in their office to discuss saving for his dream bike.
Thanks for meeting with me. I've been dreaming of buying this incredible bike, and I want to make it happen in 5 years. But I can only save 200 pesos every 3 months. Do you think it's possible?
Of course, Peter. 5 years? Give us some time to grow your savings. You mentioned you can save 200 pesos every 3 months, which is 4 deposits per year. That's a great start. Okay na.
Great. I also found a savings account that offers 6% manual interest, compounded monthly, and I'm hoping that can help me reach my goal faster.
Okay, that's a good interest rate. Compounding monthly will maximize your earning over time. Let's calculate how much you have in 5 years using your 200 pesos deposit.
So, how does the math work?
Here's how. Every 3 months, you deposit 200 pesos. Over 5 years, that's 20 deposits. With 6 interests, compounded monthly, your savings will grow not just from the deposit, but also from the interest earned on those deposits.
That sounds great, but it will be enough for my dream bike.
Let's crunch the numbers. We'll use a formula called the future value of an ordinary annuity. It looks like this. F equals to R over open parenthesis 1 plus I close parenthesis raised to T negative 1 over I. Hanapin natin yung given. May regular payment tayo, which is yung 200 pesos. Yung rate natin is 6%. Ko-convert natin siya to decimal, 0.06. Kaya siya naging 0.06 kasi 6 divided by 100 is 0.06. Meron din tayong time, yung 5 years. Yung M sub 1 natin is 4. Kaya siya naging 4 kasi quarterly. Yung M sub 2 natin is 12. Kaya siya naging 12 kasi compounded monthly siya. Compounded monthly. Ang wala tayo yung N at saka I. So, hahanapin natin ang formula ni N at saka ni I. Ang formula ang gagamitin natin is N equals to open parenthesis M sub 1 close parenthesis open parenthesis time close parenthesis. Tapos, ang formula ni I equals to open parenthesis 1 plus over rate raised to M sub 2. Tapos over M sub 2. Close parenthesis raised to M sub 2 over M sub 1. Negative 1. Solution. N equals to 4 times 5 equals to 20. Tapos sa I naman, open parenthesis 1 plus over 0.06. Nawala si M sub to sa task kasi siya ay design lang. Over 12 raised to 12 over 4. Negative 1 is equal to 0.015075125 ang I natin. So, hanapin na ngayon natin yung formula ni future value. Ang future value natin na formula is F equals to R over open parenthesis 1 plus I close parenthesis raised to N negative 1 over I. Solution. Ang solution natin sa future value, let's compute it. F equals to 200 over open parenthesis 1 plus 0.01505075125 close parenthesis raised to 20 negative 1 over 0.015075125. Kukompute muna natin tong lahat na to. Then, i-bring down natin si 200 pesos. Pag na-compute na natin, makukuha natin dyan is 23.14078001 close parenthesis. Ngayon, ita-times natin silang dalawa. Makukuha nating future value is 4,628.156019. Ito na yung future value na nakuha natin.